Yeah, folks, we're back again. Okay, went down to Super Cheap Auto again today, again and again. Okay, keep going to Super Cheap. Saw this stuff on the shelf. It says guaranteed to stop all seal leaks. Results are usually immediate or your money back. Okay, it's expensive. I'll give it a shot, see what the hell happens. I've decided to take a bit of a precaution. I've got a bit of a drip tray under there now, rather than have to clean up oil spills off the floor. Let's chuck some of this high performance Lucas power steering stop leak. Oh, this stuff is so thick. Oh, it's like honey. All right. Maybe it's just so thick it just gums everything up. Well, there's nothing getting down through the pump at the moment. So we'll just drop a little bit more oil in it. So I'm just using Castrol power steering fluid. That's a lot thinner. I know there's next to no oil in this thing, so we'll chuck a bit of that in. Right, so I've cleaned the drip tray off. I've topped up the oil in the reservoir. Let's fire it up, see what happens. The power steering is actually running. It's pretty noisy, but oh, okay. See over there on top of the power steering reservoir seems to be a fair bit of oil just hanging around the top of the reservoir, so that could be the remaining problem. It's the seal out of the dipstick cap. Oh, there you go. Drip tray's perfectly clean. I believe you can get seals for these caps. Either that or I'll just replace the whole cap. That's still leaking. That's a piss off. Bugger it. Oh, well, that's a fail. Alright, so I'm going to pull the whole bloody lot of that out. It's still leaking. It's nowhere near as bad as it was, but yeah, it's still leaking, so I said it was guaranteed to stop all seal leaks or your money back. Well, I think I might go and get my money back. Distributor cap's the next thing to have a look at. It's still running rough. Probably has never had a distributor cap replaced, and it's 467,000 kilometres. So we'll have a look at that. I'll pull that off, see what condition that's in. Oh, we've got the distributor cap all undone. So let's get her off. Let's have a look, see what it looks like inside here. It's pretty ugly. Yeah, shouldn't have oil on the inside of it. I reckon that's probably where it's misfiring. But all those terminals are all gummed up and horrible. Wasn't what the rotor button's like. Oh, I can get it off. There we go. Ooh. Okay, so that's pretty bad too. Pretty sad. I honestly thought they would need replacing. Yeah, it's pretty shitful condition, so yeah, can't hurt to replace that and make things work better. What else have I done? Replace the distributor. Can't get a replacement rotor button. Bosch has discontinued it. I can get it online, so it's ordered. See what happens. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, do all that sort of stuff. Yeah, this thing's giving me the shit at the moment, so yeah, alright, fuck off.